You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word. You know what deism is? Do I need to explain? Stay tuned, I'll explain in a second. Deism is the pronunciation in English, so you need to stress on that first. Deism. Alright, it's a Z sound, a Z sound, not an S sound. It's not deism, deism, no. Deism, the philosophy that says that somebody believes the world was created by one single God. Deism. Do you know more about deism? What is it? Let us know in the comments. But now at least you know how to pronounce it correctly. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.